Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about claritycheck.com. It's a website that claims to help you find out who is behind unknown phone numbers, but is it actually useful or just another scam? So let's take a look. So this is claritycheck.com. If you come to this page, you'll find a simple search bar where you type in the number and get the details. Some users say that it actually helps them avoid scam calls and spam texts by showing caller warnings and public info like location and business name. However, it doesn't actually show any private information like the name or full details. That means you only get the basic safety info, not a full background check, which is a good thing. So here's what I recommend. If you want to know more about it, open a new tab and search for it on Trustpilot. Just copy the domain name from here and paste it over there. After that, click on the search bar. Now this is Clarity Check, and as you can see here, over 17,000 reviews are available. Overall, it received a 3.8 star ratings out of 5, which is kind of good. It means people are actually liking their service, but you should also check the right section and understand what other people who didn't like the service are saying. So Clarity Check is not a scam at all. It's a legit tool for quick number lookups. Just don't expect it to give you full details. It's useful, but it has some limitations. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.